Namaste. Today let us see about the Arogyam special program issued by the Health and Family Welfare Department, Government of Tamil Nadu in its GO number 201 dated 23 April 2020. This special program is to contain the spread of COVID-19 viral pandemic infection and is a collective measure of Ayush systems of medicine, that is Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. This order was issued on behalf of the Governor and is signed by Mrs. Bila Rajesh IAS, Health Secretary, Government of Tamil Nadu. Now let's see the content of this order. Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses that cause illnesses ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome and severe acute respiratory syndrome. The function of the immune system is critical in the human response to infectious disease. The mainstay in management of coronaviral infections has been supportive care, nutrition, and preventing further progression in the absence of any antiviral agent or vaccine. The holistic approach of Ayush systems of medicine gives focus on prevention through lifestyle modification, diet management, prophylactic interventions for improving the immunity, and simple remedies based on presentations of the symptoms. To explore the feasibility of using Indian system of medicine for the treatment of COVID-19 infections, the government had constituted a committee under the chairmanship of the Directorate of Indian Medicine and Homeopathy. Meanwhile, the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, has already issued guidelines for using Indian systems of medicine used for similar illnesses to be used as general immune booster. The Director of Indian Medicine and Homeopathy had submitted the recommendations of the committee constituted by the Government of Tamil Nadu for developing guidelines for immunity enhancement, clinical management and research with Ayush interventions. The government accepted the recommendations of the committee and ordered that Arogyam special program with Ayush interventions for COVID-19 be implemented in the state of Tamil Nadu as detailed below. Now let's see the mainstream therapies as per Arogyam special program with Ayush interventions. The program is actually divided into three parts. Part 1 is for immune enhancement, Part 2 is for therapies in convalescence period, and Part 3 is as supportive clinical management. Part 1 Immunity Enhancement. In Ayurveda systems of medicine, 15 ml Indukantha Kashayam with 60 ml pre-boiled water can be taken twice daily before food. 10 grams of Kushmanda Rasayanam or Agastya Rasayanam twice a day after food can be taken as per physician's advice. In Siddha system of medicine, Kabajara Kudinir or Nilavembu Kudinir can be taken with the prescribed adult dose of 60 to 90 ml or for children 30 to 45 ml once a day before food for a period of 1 month. In Yoga and Naturopathy system of medicine, natural immune boosting fresh juices with Indian gooseberry, that is Nellikai, Tulasi, ginger, fresh lime and turmeric, that is constitute to 250 ml twice a day, and children it can be taken 100 ml twice a day. Natural immune boosting hot drinks with peeled crushed ginger, Tulasi, black pepper, Adimaduram and turmeric can be taken 50 ml twice a day, and for children 20 ml twice a day. Yoga therapies such as Vajrasanas, Bastrika Pranayama, Brahmari Pranayama and quick relaxation and deep relaxation techniques and such other kriyas can be followed. Sun bath, hydrotherapy and aromatherapy can be given as per the Yoga and Naturopathy physician's advice. In Unani system of medicine, Behdana, Unnab, Sapistan decoction is prescribed. In Homeopathy system of medicine, Arsenicum album 30C potency daily once a day in empty stomach for 3 days, or Bryonia alba, Rus toxicodendron, Belladonna gel semimum, Euphatorium, Perfoliatum are the other homeopathic medicines that can be used as per Homeo physician's advice. Part 2. In the convalescence period, that is, after the completion of the treatment and discharged from the hospital care. In Ayurveda systems of medicine, Dashamula Katatrayam Kashayam, Intuganta Kashayam, Vyagriyadi Kashayam can be given as per the dose of 60 to 90 ml in adults and 30 to 45 ml in case of kids. Apart from these medicines, Rasayana Chikitsa can be opted as per the physician's advice. In Siddha system of medicine, Amukra Churnam Matrai 500 mg, 2 tablets twice daily after food can be taken or can be taken as per the physician's advice. Nellikai Legium 5 to 10 grams can be taken twice a day after food. Part 3 is the clinical support where yoga and naturopathy as supplementary dietary intervention along with the treatment, mainstream treatment for COVID-19 patients as described earlier in this video. And Siddha system of medicine can also be supplementary and therapeutical intervention along with allopathic treatment can be given. Kabajara Kudinir and Ilavembe Kudinir 60 to 90 ml twice a day for adults and 30 to 45 ml for children for a month or as directed by a physician. Thank you.